Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share and collaborate with others in Canva. This is perfect if you're working on a project with teammates, classmates, or even clients. First, open your Canva design. In the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you have a few options. You can type in someone's email address to invite them directly. Just enter the email and then choose their permission: viewer, commenter, or editor. If you pick editor, they'll be able to make changes to the design with you in real time. Another way to collaborate is by copying the link. Click copy link and you can send it through email, chat, or anywhere else. Again, you can control whether people with the link can just view, comment, or edit. If you're working with a team inside Canva, you can also share designs directly into a team folder. That way, everyone in the team automatically has access, without you needing to invite each person one by one. The cool part is that Canva supports real-time collaboration. So if someone else is editing at the same time, you'll see their cursor and updates instantly, almost like working in Google Docs, and that's it. With just a couple of clicks, you can share your designs and collaborate smoothly inside Canva.